Good morning. Good morning. It's actually afternoon. I've been here on the bed. I didn't sleep all through the night, so I think I'm getting ill again. So I have to resume taking my medication. The time is currently, this is after 1. And today is Sunday. Let me just use this opportunity to say thank you guys for the love you showed on my first living in an empty room video. I thought I didn't do well. One of the disadvantages of living alone, when you're sick, you don't have anyone to take care of you. You still have to be sick and run your errands, right? I have to do what I have to do.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. But 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time overanalyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush.
Can you see what the time is? 9:26. Can you see? So while I was shooting, you guys, my generator went off, so I had to continue doing my stuffs without light. Later on, I went to check on the generator and I found out that I still have fuel. So I was now wondering, I don't know, because I'm not a mechanic. I washed the clothes you guys saw me putting on to do the chores. I also had my bath and I haven't eaten. Since then, I shot 2 contents for my YouTube. You guys can see. So you guys can see. What I currently want to do now is just enter the kitchen, make a very spicy plate of noodles for myself and come and enjoy it because I've tried for the day. You guys, before I forget, I lost this tripod today. That's to tell you guys I've been working. This tripod is my most treasured tripod. I can take any angle I want with this tripod. Like you guys see, it's very elastic, so you just wrap this around anything and your phone will cling to wherever. And since I like it so much, I'll just have to reorder for this tripod, this small one, and maybe a bigger one. Why this was with me, I really enjoyed it. The air freshener right here is so good.
Haven't felt this way in a while. Really not since I left Ohio. All I want is the pieces to come together. I've been going at it for months, but I feel like I'm going in circles. Going in circles. Oh, does it ever get better? I'm doing my best, I'm trying to hold it all together. If you're somewhere out there, just answer this one prayer. Oh, does it ever get better? Feeling like I'm stuck once again, with too many thoughts trapping in my head. This time it feels a little bit harder, and it's weighing on me now to think it's just my normal now. Fuck, I hope it just gets so much better. So tell me, ooh, does it ever get better? I'm doing my best, I'm trying to hold it all together. If you're somewhere out there, just answer this one